So, I forgot to make this video earlier, but my friend asked me how you change your name. You go to personal. If you're on a laptop, go on your Google account. Well, if you didn't create a Google account already, create that. You can already pick your name. If you already have a Google account and you know you didn't change your name at all since you had it, go on it. Go to Google account. Go to personal info. Click on your name. When it comes to this screen, name right here, just click on this. Boom, bam, bam. Type in your name right here. Or if you want to do it the way that most streamers used to do it, they used to do they either do it like this. This is just a random name. I don't care. It's just a random name. They'll do it like this. And if you want to do it like that, you press space right here. So the space counts as the character that you put. And then, yeah. But right now I'm going to stay with mine. If you want to change it, you press done. But I'm not going to do that because, yeah. And if you want to change your picture, you go onto the same thing. But then again, you press on a different button. You press on the picture button. And that's all, I guess. Bye.